Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Burnaby local and long distance movers near me. A move of 100 miles or more is considered a long distance move, regardless of whether the move is between provinces or even across the nation. In order to make sure that such an endeavor will go without hinges, it is best to seek the help of a professional moving company that went through the same process over and over again and that has gained the expertise on that. Considering and planning a long distance move can be hectic and time consuming, but with the help of the right movers, the process can be smooth. We offer hands on assistance with your long distance moves. We will help you plan properly and give you a quote of what the move might cost. We also do the heavy lifting for you so that you don't need to load or unload. We also provide packing supplies if you need them and offer packaging services in case you are not able to do it yourself. If your move is less than 100 miles, whether it is across town, within the province, or even across the province, it is considered a local move. 3 Movers offers local moving services that will cater for your local moving needs. Any type of move can be bothersome. This is why seeking professional help can help you in taking the stress off of your shoulders. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Burnaby moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.